everybody, let's glue book in my black and white mini composition notebook. Yes, so when I was on hiatus, I started this this book. For all of you that know, I took a year and a half off of YouTube. And I used to always glue book in my little mini composition books. And so when I was on hiatus, I would use this book. I started this black and white mini composition collage book. And was getting ready to start gluing in it again. I like to, when you just want something easy to just do something quick, or not feel like you have a that you have to fill a large space. I just did on that in this book, and I was getting ready to do that, and I said, "You're not on hiatus anymore. You better get break out the camera." And get to gluing. So here I am, breaking out the camera and get to gluing. I sometimes will store little bits and pieces from larger projects in my mini glue book. Now, what I'm going to do here is take out the little bits that I stored in here, and I'm just going to glue them down randomly and on any page. If you remember, if you've been with me from the beginning, how I would just go from page to page and wouldn't necessarily have a finished page at the end. Well, that's how this one is going to be, because it was really spur of the moment. I was just going to glue down a couple of pieces and then get going. But then like I said, I remember, hey, you're not on hiatus. Why not cut the camera on? Kind of give you a little, it was a little flip through. So this one won't have a finished page to show at the end like I forced myself to do now. So we're just gonna just play in this little composition, small collage book here and there, just glue things down. And I don't think I'm going to have sentiments in this one. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided. These books are so affordable. You can't make a book cheaper. Even $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, it comes out really cheap, about 40 something cents a piece. So you can't make a book for 40 something cents. And then all you got to do is just open it up and get to going and get to gluing. That's why I love it. And again, it's a it's a time where you don't have to fill a whole large space. This is if you just have a couple of minutes, you just want to be productive or have something to do with your hands, and so you can zone out and think about your day and things like that. A mini composition book, a little small collage book is the way to go, let me tell you. And you feel accomplished when you finish. Even if you don't have a full page, you still feel accomplished because most of the space is filled up. Now I keep white space on mine. But in these it is fun to just keep going. I'm the Griswolds, more is more. But yeah, but yeah. So I'm just going back and forth and just placing things down. I'm telling you, I even have the barcode from something on there. It was black and white, so I said, good tip for working in. Did I say it already? From working in these small collage books, is when you're working in your large books and you have small pieces, just ease them into this book. So that's what I do. It's a good. I'm pointing at the barcode. It's showing that it's in here too. It's black and white, so in it goes. You'd be surprised at the little bits and pieces that you could find to store in your books until you're ready to glue book. That's why Oh, I hit the camera. Oh gosh. What I like about these little books is it seems to fit kind of nicely in my frame. And now I done hit it. Now look at you can see the size of my dash, y'all. I may have to zoom it in. I may have to zoom it in because it looks a little crack right. People don't say that anymore. Now look at it. Do I know that it's askew now? Why did I have to hit it? But at least you can still see it. 'Cause the bigger books, you can't. Oh, good. I pushed it where you could see it. And you can see I'm just going back and forth. No rhyme, no reason to how I'm gluing in this book. I'm just going to just lay things down. Oh, gosh. Stay in frame. Stay in frame. Oh, thank you. At least, oh, okay, there I go. I must have, okay. At least I'm putting it straight, but now it's shaking. Oh, excuse the shake. It's always something. You know what coming to my channel? It's always something. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, just excuse the shake. It should stop pretty soon. Gosh, imagine if I sped it up. If I sped it up, it would be really shaky. But like I said, I really enjoy working in these mini composition books because you have a couple of minutes for your day, and you don't have really a lot of time to do a whole page. You just come on in and glue a couple of pieces, excuse me, down and just go on. Okay, I may have to zoom in because that's not looking too good right there. Let's see if while I'm talking I can do that. No, let's see. Nope, nope. I'm gonna have to wait. Hopefully I remember. Oh, I sped this part. It's not shaking too bad. Yeah. I don't know. If you say what Micki, what are you talking about? I don't know. This was filmed a while ago. I'm just bringing it on up into now. I think I filmed it last month. Y'all, I have a lot of little stuff I've been filming. I've been trying. It's just the editing. Oh, can I get an amen from the content creators? Now, there's some people who just enjoy editing and things like that. I'm not one of them. I'm just not one of them. But I have quite a few that I forgot to put up. And then some that I'm like, I think from here, is it sped up for the rest there? I think from here, um I'm gonna just let you watch the rest until we end. Until the book end. I mean to the book. Until the video ends. But I'm not gone yet. I'm watching too. Don't go nowhere. But if you liked it this far and you have this go ahead. Please give it a like and I appreciate you for stopping by. But we still have what? A minute to go. A minute to go. And like I said at the end of this, I won't have a final picture to show or a layout because I was just playing randomly in here. Should I end it now? Did I hold you long enough? Or are you saying, Micki, no, I want to say. Because I'm just going back and forth, just gluing randomly down. Well, anyway, we're wrapping this video up. I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. And if you've made it this far, you have nothing to say, but you'd like to let me know that you were here, go ahead and leave a scissor emoji with the book. Just signifies the Gluebook. You can wave at me. That would be fine. So thank you once again for watching.